Welcome back to the channel if you've joined me before, and if you haven't, I'm Turquoise. What's up? Okay, so I'm super excited about today's video because I will be showing you all how to make that beautiful bouquet of a tree that you see behind me. This is the third year that I've done a mannequin dress form tree. This is the third mannequin that I've used, and this one has to be my absolute favorite. I love it, I love it, I love it. One of the reasons why I love it is because it's joining two of my DIY projects from the past. I have tutorials for those also on this channel. I did a floral wall panel, and I also did a tutorial for the first time that I did a mannequin dress form tree. I'll link those somewhere. I think it's gonna be over here, so if you wanna check that out, you can. But for today, this is an upgraded and updated and easier way to make the tree skirt. Last year and the year before, I used wreath wires and stem wires to construct the form of the skirt. But this year, to simplify it, the main component that I used was a petticoat. It changed the game. Like, it made it so much easier. What I will say is that throughout the process and during the DIY, I did find that when you're adding the flowers to secure the petticoat to the waist of the mannequin, I needed a belt. I didn't find that out until after. It was a big blunder because I had constructed the whole tree basically, and it kind of collapsed.
Please hang up and try again.
But I go through all of these mishaps, so you don't have to. Let me get my list and I'll show you exactly, or I'll tell you everything that you need for this project. Okay, so we already know you need the petticoat. You can buy that off of Amazon or from whatever retailer you choose. I don't know, everyone doesn't like Amazon. You'll also need a tree skirt. I got mine from Amazon as well. I searched for something that was very much like my the fabric of my Black Santa's coat. I love my Black Santa. I was so happy when I found a tree skirt that was almost the exact same fabric. I got my Garland from Michael's. I used 10 Garland. So if you have a mannequin that's about my size, you'll pretty much need that. I used 10 exactly and it was perfect. The pine cones I also got from Michael's. Her jewelry, basically, her necklace. Last year, I used the pine cones as a purse, but that mannequin, the arms were more limber and it looked better as a purse. I tried to do that this year with this one and it just didn't look right, and I kind of just switched it up at the last minute. Also, the top, it's a fur snood that I had, like a fur scarf, but like just if you have extra fabric, extra fur laying around, or any top that you choose, style it how you would like and in a way that complements your own home decor. And a belt. You need a belt, like I mentioned. Very, very key, because you don't want everything to fall. Oh, duh! You need the flowers. I bought a lot of flowers, and this is why the skirt is so weighty. I bought about 84 bunches of faux flowers from the Dollar Tree, which is actually the $1.25 tree, which makes me mad. You don't have to use as many as I did. I'll show you some other examples of floral Christmas trees, so you can place the flowers sporadically throughout, and in that way you'll use less. I chose to go this route because I worked with the amount of flowers that I had. I was really looking to do a gradient color, and that's just the vibe that I was going for. Let me talk about my initial inspiration. I was watching a home tour of Dorinda Medley from The Real Housewives of New York. She has a home in the Berkshires. Every year she kind of goes crazy with her Christmas decor and design, and she had a tree that was behind her during the interview, and I just loved it. So I wanted to do something in that vein. So Dorinda's tree along with my Black Santa, those were the two main inspirations. I don't have too much else to say. It's pretty simple. It's so easy to do when you get the bunches of flowers. I didn't even cut the stems off, and that is actually better because you can just stick them in to the garland and they stay. They literally are not moving at all. The only thing that you have to do is cut the stickers off of each bunch, which was pretty annoying, because they're sticky, they don't want to come off and all of that. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm ecstatic with the results. I think it's beautiful. It's a beautiful bouquet of a tree, and I'm not sure, I might do it again next year. I love it so much, or I might be inspired to do something else. I hope you love this tree as much as I do, and I hope that this tutorial is helpful for you. If it is, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you decide to do this yourself, let me know. Let me know there. You can tag me on Instagram, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to build this community of femmes, fashion-focused femmes, style-focused femmes, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy DIYing! Unfortunately, I cut this, but I'll be reattaching it. So bendy, so malleable, super strong.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.